card into your computer. Copy the upgrade file to your SD card. Contains motherboard upgrade files, screen upgrade files. Copy the two upgrade files to your SD card. No need to create a new folder in the SD card. Copy the upgrade file directly to the SD card. Now you can upgrade the sintering furnace system. Connect the power cable. Connecting the touch panel. Insert the SD card with the mainboard upgrade file into the corresponding interface on the sintering furnace. Turn on the power. No other operations are required before the touch screen displays content. The motherboard program has been upgraded. Now we will upgrade the touchscreen program. Turn off the power first. Insert the SD card containing the screen upgrade program into the touchscreen via a USB adapter. Turn on the power again. No other operations are required, and the upgrade will start automatically. When the bottom of the touch panel displays Info, Upgrade Finished, turn off the power and remove the SD card. Insert the SD card with the preset sintering program. Turn on the power again. Enter the alarm list and check whether the